Hey, here's another one here. Now we all know this one, Lite-Brite, and this is a fun favorite for all family members. Actually, I remember playing this when I was a child, and I picked this up from Walmart again. Walmart has a great toy section. And this is for my granddaughter, Paisley, 6 years old. Well, who doesn't love Lite-Brite, right? I mean, bold, bright templates. It's pretty cool. You can make, looks like a unicorn there. You got a rainbow. Let's look on the back here and give you a good look at that. I've got to get rid of that lighting issue, but it contains 214 pieces. Infinite creations, endless fun. We got a rainbow rollers right here. The next one is the unicorn dreams. Pretty neat. We got sail away. What's this one? Roaring Rex. Looks like a pretty cool dinosaur. Get rid of that. There you go. There's the dinosaur there. And what else do we got here? Magic Sunday. Who doesn't love a Sunday, right? There's the Sunday there. And we got some headphones here. Sparkle Beats. Pretty neat. I look forward to this one too. This is an old time favorite for when we grew up as kids too. So glad that they're still carrying on this Lite-Brite.